In today's video, I am going to teach you how to buy a game on Steam and redeem a gift card. We'll start by adding funds from a gift card to your Steam wallet. Then use those funds to purchase a game. I'll walk you through each screen and call out a few helpful tips along the way. So everything goes smoothly, begin by opening Steam on your PC or Mac. Or head to the Steam website in your browser. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account where you want the funds to go. In the top right corner, click your username and select Account Details. This takes you to your account management page, where you can see your wallet balance and payment options. Next, click the option that says Plus Add Funds to your Steam wallet. On the following page, choose Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. If you have a physical card, carefully reveal the code on the back. Avoid scratching too hard, and if you bought a digital code, you'll find it on your receipt or email. Type that code into the Steam wallet code field exactly as shown. Take a moment to double-check each character. Mistyping a single letter or number is the most common hiccup. When you are confident it's correct, click Continue. Steam will process the redemption and add the funds to your wallet. You should now see your updated wallet balance on your account page. Keep in mind that some gift cards are region-specific, so the currency added will match the region of your account. Now, let's use those funds to buy a game. Head to the Steam store and browse categories or use the search bar to find the title you want. When you've decided, click Add to Cart on the game's store page. Your shopping cart icon in the top right will show one item. Click it to go to checkout. Choose Purchase for myself to continue. Steam automatically prioritizes your Steam wallet balance. So if your wallet covers the full price including any taxes, it will complete without asking for another payment method. If your wallet doesn't have enough, you'll be prompted to pay the difference using another supported method. Review the total. Confirm everything looks right and click Purchase to finalize the transaction. That's it. Thanks for watching.